Printer acting up again. If your brother's LCD display is out, don't worry, help is here. First, make sure your printer is plugged in and the power switch is on. Check that the power cable is secure at both the printer and the outlet. Still nothing? Try plugging the printer into a different socket, just to rule out a power issue. If your LCD display is still dark, unplug the printer and wait 1 minute. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Next, check for any visible damage to the power cord or LCD screen. If you see cracks, fraying, or anything unusual, you may need a replacement part. If your screen lights up but stays blank, press the stop or menu button. Sometimes the display just needs to be woken up. Lastly, look up your printer's model number on the Brother website for any specific troubleshooting steps or software updates. If all else fails, contact Brother support. They're there to help. And that's it. With these quick steps, your Brother printer's LCD should be back in action. If not, you've already done the right troubleshooting. Good luck.